right, what's up everybody? In today's video, we're going to be talking about something that I've been working on for quite some time. I've been out doing some detail jobs, my usual Friday clients, and I am currently now on my way to a new location, which I'll fill you guys in on here shortly, but I'm very excited. Just always in life and in business, for me, if I get to a certain point and I don't continually try and grow, I get to a point where I'm comfortable and then I slow down. And the problem for me is if I slow down, I don't stay there. I slip backwards. So I always continually feel like for me to be the most productive that I can be, I have to continually push myself. I'm one of those people that kind of thrives under the pressure of having new expenses and things like that to keep moving forward. So with that said, I'm very excited to make this announcement, and I'll see you guys when we get to the shop. All right, guys, so here is the update. I apologize if it's kind of a crazy echo in here. As you can see, this unit is completely bare right now. But I wanted to let all of you know that I'm actually going to be, obviously I've had my detailersupply.com website, and that's been incredible, but I wanted to kind of focus on some of the local, detail market here in San Diego as well. So I am opening up my own retail location. We're actually going to be setting up a whole water system back here as well. So we'll be offering spot-free deionized water. Really, really cool system. I'll film that whole process. We were actually just up here meeting with the property manager and then also Spencer over at Icon Water. He's installing the system, which is incredible. So if you guys need a high-end system, or they offer whole house systems and things like that as well for different things, check out Icon Water. But I want to give you guys kind of an idea of what I'm planning on doing here, the brands that I'm going to be carrying, in addition to those brands being on my website now as well. I'm going to do a special discount for some of the stuff that I have on there now. Just use code IMJOSHV. It's going to be a site-wide. I'm not going to disclose the discount that we're giving, but use that at checkout and you'll be happy with the discount. So let's talk about this real quick. This is the unit, right? We got roll-up door there, front door there, a little kind of overhang canopy here. This will be a checkout center. I believe that's how I'm going to set it up. We're going to do, the interlocking tile floor all the way throughout. This whole wall is going to have racks across displaying all the products. Then I'm planning on also having within this space here, basically 3 movable tables that'll have product on it as well. Then, like I said, back here is going to be my whole deionized water spot-free system. The cool thing about this, guys, which I'm very, very excited about, and for all of you, if you're in San Diego, we have rear access here, and the system will be mounted here. So we're gonna have 24-hour access, spot-free water, cashless payment system. You could use a credit card, you could use Apple Pay, whatever else. That's gonna be incredible. I'm very, very excited for that. Now, obviously, I kind of have my hands in a lot of different things. So I do have a full-time employee that will be here. I will be here myself as well on certain days. So if you're around, come by, say hello, obviously. Opening date's not gonna be for a little bit of time. Obviously, we have a lot of stuff to get done in here. I also have some trips coming up. I'm going back to England. I'll be visiting the McLaren factory, which is super exciting. Come back from that, about a week after that, I'm out at SEMA. So this is gonna be a little bit of a crunch time for me. But again, I'm excited for it to continually push myself and get stuff done. So brands that we're gonna be carrying in here, Co-Chemi. Obviously my line, QUIVR. We're going to have G-Technic. We're going to have Geon. We're going to have some of the brands from the House of Rags. Well, we're gonna have DIY Detail. We're going to have Yum Car Care. Max Shine products will be in here. I got Liquid Elements polishers, which I'm very, very excited about. Really nice machines, entry level pricing, really, really good pricing on those things. And then they also have, I already have some of them in stock. So those will be available on the website. But the really cool thing is they have their new battery powered platform coming, which I'm extremely, extremely excited about. Those will be coming, I think, within the next month or so. So keep an eye out for that stuff too. I'll be doing a review of those also because I'm very excited for those. Also, I'll have Flex polishers in here. What else? If there's anything else that you guys can think of, please let me know. Obviously, I'm in San Diego. My good friend, Jared over at Carglow, he's down in the Kearny Mesa area. I'm gonna be stocking some of his stuff in here as well. Fantastic products as well. So yeah, there's an absolute ton of stuff going on. if you want to talk a little bit more about the business side of things. So rent here, I'll disclose, $2,200 a month, 1,200 square feet, $2,200 a month. Have to factor in insurance. Insurance is a big thing. Want to make sure that I'm fully covered for any weird things that come up, right? So that's all accounted for. Then we have employees, right? So employees, obviously, hourly fees and all that kind of stuff that I'm gonna have to account for. I'm in California, so we also have to offer all the workman's comp. And then there's a new thing, something about offering, I have to read into it more on the payroll side, but you have to offer some sort of a 401k, or you can opt out of it, but you have to give some alternative. I don't know, it's a little confusing to me, but I'll figure it out, right? That's what this is all about. But again, this whole wall is gonna be racked of product, lit up nicely in the center here, more products. But yeah, I'm extremely excited for this venture. The water system, I'm very excited for, because I'll be able to just fill up my own water as needed as well. So that's it for today's video, guys. Again, I wanted to kind of bring you guys along with all the processes of things that I'm doing. And hopefully, I don't want to make it seem more than it is, but hopefully it's motivating for some people where maybe you're kind of on the fence about things. Just take calculated risks, right? You don't want to jump into something but you're not sure if it's going to work. Like with this, I really kind of worked out the numbers, and for me, if it goes kind of like as bad as I think it could, I'll be able to break even in my mind. So regardless, I still have the website as well where I can sell products on top of that. So also another brand, totally forgot, Auto Fiber, obviously will be in here for all my towels and things like that. So that's it for today's video, guys. Just wanted to share that with you. Hopefully you guys care. If you don't, no problem, I get it. No problem at all. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on the notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.